grilled chicken sandwich. Yeah. All right, family, this is everything we're gonna need right here for our grilled chicken sandwich. Chicken club sandwich, chicken sandwich is delicious. But they're my ingredients right there. So let's get to it. All right, me personally, I like pepper bacon. So I just sprinkle some pepper on my bacon. You can skip that process if you want to. I'm throwing it in the oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and season our chicken. Got some chicken thighs I already had. You can use chicken breast if you want. We're gonna season our chicken on both sides. So flip it over and get that other side as well. All right, after you get that, let's go ahead and get some oil in our pan. And we're gonna allow that to heat. There's our chicken, baby. Then we're gonna drop that chicken in there. We're gonna smash it down to give it a good, even sear. So make sure you smash it down to where all parts of the chicken is contacting the skillet. Yeah. So let's just sear that for about 4 to 5 minutes. We're gonna flip it over. This is what we're looking like right here. Let me show you. Yeah, there it is. That's what we're looking like right there. So go ahead. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna sear that side for 4 to 5 minutes. Let's check our bacon. Oh, bacon ready, baby. You can cook it how you choose. That's how I like mine. All right, our chicken is almost ready. It's about 80%. What I like to do, I like to put it back on the pan that had the bacon. Let some of that bacon grease get in there. And I throw it back in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes and let it finish cooking that way. While it's in the oven, let's melt up some butter. And we're gonna put some mayo on our bun. Yeah, give it that good crust on there. So get that mayo on there on both sides. And we're just gonna finish toasting. Let's just get our buns toasted down. All toasty, looking like that. Beautiful, baby. Yeah. We're gonna flip the top of them real quick. Get a little top toast on it. There's our chicken. Chicken is all the way ready, 165 degrees. Now let's build our sandwich. We're gonna put some mayo on the buns. We're gonna hit it with some lettuce. Throw some tomatoes on there. Don't forget to season them tomatoes, y'all. Season that tomato. We're gonna hit it with that chicken. Let's get that chicken. Oh, there it is. Got that chicken on there. We're gonna hit it with some pepper jack. I like pepper jack. You can use whatever kind you want, but I got some pepper jack. We got that bacon, pepper bacon that is. Yeah. Put the top on it. What that is. Grilled chicken sandwich, baby. Yeah. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us a delicious grilled chicken sandwich. Y'all. Yeah. And as always, baby, we gotta taste it. It's a hell of a grilled chicken sandwich, baby. Delicious. All right, family. If you like this video, found value in the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing and when we're doing it. Also, check out your boy videos. We got a playlist up here, and I got a video I picked out just for you to watch. So check them out. So watch them. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your day. That boy can cook. Out the place. Out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone.